Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, last time we have discussed London dispersion forces and have discussed its example regarding helium atom. Now the next is factors that affect London dispersion forces. There are three main factors that affect London dispersion forces: atomic size, which is also molecular size, then polarizability, and the number of atoms in a molecule. We will discuss one by one. First is atomic size, which may be a molecular size. As size increases, dispersion becomes more easy and London dispersion forces becomes more prominent. How? How it is like this? Actually, when atomic size increases, nuclear hold increases and electronic cloud can easily be distorted. As electronic cloud distorted, London dispersion forces becomes more and more prominent. It means we can say that London dispersion forces are directly proportional to the atomic size. As atomic size will increase, London dispersion forces will also increase. Now, what are the effects of these atomic and molecular size on London dispersion forces? It change its boiling point, that is the thermodynamic parameters, and it also change the physical state of a matter. We will discuss one by one. First is BP. Boiling point got increases or decreases with these factors. We will consider it by taking the example of inert gases. Inert gases, you have studied in your previous classes that these are monoatomic gases. Monoatomic gases means their valence shell is complete, so they don't react to form a molecule. They exist in single atomic form, so they are called monoatomic gases. Their valence shell is complete, so they don't react. As inert gases belongs to group 8 elements. As we move down the group, at every step a new shell is added, means that atomic size is increased. This is the symbol of increase. Atomic size is increasing down the group. Down the group, due to increase of atomic size, dispersion becomes more or dispersion becomes easier. As a result, London dispersion forces becomes more significant, and because London dispersion forces becomes more significant, boiling point got increased. This can be understood from your book values. As you can see, people, that noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon have boiling point minus 268.6, minus 245.9, 185.7, minus 155, 52.3, minus 107.1 and minus 68. You can see that down the group boiling points are increasing. Okay. Next effect of these parameters is physical state got changed. How it? You people know that halogens are group 7a elements and members are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Fluorine and chlorine are gases at room temperature, while bromine is liquid and iodine is solid. In these state of the in their physical state, London dispersion forces play an important role. How? Same like above. Down the group, atomic size increases, distortion becomes more easy. As a result, London dispersion forces becomes more and more significant and becomes so significant that their physical state changes from gases to liquid and from liquid to solid. It means that London dispersion forces are maximum in iodine, so they are in solid form. I hope you have understood that. Now our next factor is polarizability. Now, what do you mean by term polarizability? Polarizability is the measure of ease with which electronic cloud or electron charge density is distorted. It means that polarizability is also judged by atomic size. We can say that small size atoms are under strong nuclear hold, so their electron density cannot be distorted. And it means they are less polarizable. Got that? Large size atoms are under less nuclear hold because their size is so large and nucleus cannot hold the outermost electronic shells. They can easily distort it. It means they are more polarizable. We can conclude that small atoms are less polarizable and large atoms are more polarizable. Now the next is, what is the effect of that polarizability on the atom? It is thermodynamic. It affects its thermodynamic properties and change its physical state. How it affects thermodynamic properties? Like large atoms are more polarizable. And hence they have strong London dispersion forces and their thermodynamic parameters got increased, like boiling point, melting point and other. Got that? And just like we have discussed in the last parameter. Second is thermodynamic parameters is fluorine and chlorine are gases at room temperature. Chlorine can easily be liquefied as compared to fluorine. Chlorine can be easily liquefied at room temperature as compared to fluorine. The reason behind this is also the large atomic size of chlorine as compared to fluorine. As atomic size of chlorine increased, it becomes more polarizable. Its polarizability got increases. When it becomes more polarizable, London dispersion forces increases. And as London dispersion forces increases, it can be easily liquefied. Fluorine is the first member. Its size is very small. It cannot be liquefied easily. Next is change of physical state. It has already been discussed, so you can see from that context. Next, third is our number of atoms in a molecule. Number of atoms in a molecule can also be regarded as the chain length. As number of atoms in a molecule increases, it again becomes more polarizable and experience strong London dispersion forces. It means elongated molecules have more contact areas, more surface areas, so they are easily polarizable and got maximum London dispersion forces. Effects are same. They affect the thermodynamic parameters and also change the physical state. First, we see how it changed the thermodynamic parameters. Value of thermodynamic parameters of elongated molecules are high, like N-pentane. N-pentane is normal long chain pentane like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. It is elongated normal chain pentane. It is in a cylindrical form. It has long chain, it has more contact areas, it has greater surface area. Similarly, another form of pentane is neopentane, in which structure is small and spherical. It is closed structures, spherical structures and compact structures. Surface area is less and have less contact areas. As less contact areas, less surface area, not so much elongated chain, so its boiling point is 9.5 degrees centigrade. That is, its boiling point is less as compared to long chain, that is N-pentane, whose boiling point is 36 degrees centigrade. The next is change of physical state. Change of physical state has already been discussed and you people can take it from previous notes. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.